Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. I have quite a lot of very cheap vinyl which doesn't cut really well, so I tend to avoid using it. However, it is very cheap. It's something like €2.50 for a big roll of it. I think it's supposed to be used as book covering or shelf lining and things like that. I can get it in glittery ones. I can get it in all sorts of colours and patterns. However, I haven't used an awful lot of it because of the aforementioned cutting problems, but now I've discovered something that I really like doing with this. And I'm going to show you the result. Look at this. Okay, this is gold, that's pink. It shows up on camera better in the gold, I discovered. If I show you the pink version, you can barely see anything. All I've done is I've stuck a piece of this, in gold obviously, onto a piece of card. This is just a scrap piece that I had lying around. I then took one of my stencils, which I use for embossing, and I put it through the embossing machine. And then you get this wonderful, very expensive looking card that I haven't had to pay a fortune for. The card that I've put it on is the card that I normally put it on, I would say, is card that I wouldn't use. So I use bright greens, oranges, really vivid yellows, things like that. And that means I'm making use of card that I wouldn't otherwise use, either in the stencils or for the embossing. And I'm making use of this cheap vinyl, which otherwise would stay in my stash. So that's my tip for today. Have a look through your stash, see what you've got, and see what you can actually do with it that you may not have thought of. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.